Hi, this is Bill. On this demo, I'll be talking about data policies. So to get here, you will see on the left already navigated, right? So after typing in data policies, it's on the system policy, and you navigate to data policies. It will give you a list of data policies, and now on a particular record of a data policy, which is making fields mandatory for the numbers table. So how it works is similar to a UI policy where you could manage and control the behavior of ServiceNow tables, but UI policy is more of client side, and this is server side. But basically, it's almost the same, right? So on the right, this is where you could apply the rules. It's either in a SOAP integration or an incoming data using import sets and so on. And of course, you could add condition according to this table, right? And after you add the condition, these rules will apply, right? So in this example, you have the field name, right? And you have the behavior that we would like to happen and and so on. So if we click new, so let's drill down on what it could offer you. And from here, on what you just saw is the field name. You go to the right, is it read only or mandatory? So of course, the scope or the application will apply what scope you are basically managing. So data policy basically is to verify and validate the completeness of fields prior to saving to the server. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next recording.